Hi there. If you're a member of a destination marketing organization or an attraction within the destination, you know that you may only be engaging a small percentage of visitors while they're within your destination. Kiosks are a great way to solve this problem, and today I'm going to show you how HootBoard-powered kiosks make it easier than ever to take your visitors' experience to the next level. Let's start with HootBoard's kiosk software, set up for a destination organization just like yours. As I've been talking, you may have noticed various attractor loops running that you can use to engage audiences when they are further away from the kiosk screen. These can be updated to suit your location's needs and specify your particular content. When a visitor starts a session by touching the kiosk, they will see the header up top, which will show your organization's information, as well as quick links to weather, a calendar, and location information. Below the header, we have the main apps area, and the bottom half of the screen is the informational content, which comes from HootBoard's social media-like content platform. Going back to the apps section, these apps can pull directly from the content system with content that you have added. For example, this Events app could show all of the events happening in your region by simply pulling all content tagged events from the content system. Users can then further filter events by more relevant categories. Apps can also connect to any URL you'd like to show additional information. You can link directly to different parts of your website or any third-party web applications. I'll go through a couple of apps here so you get an idea. If you click on this real-time transit, it can show up-to-the-minute local transport around your location. This is information provided by a third-party service called Transit Screen. 3D Explorer is a service that creates 3D flybys of your region, highlighting key attractions. And if one of your visitors has only an hour or two, you can simply point them to a section of your website offering an itinerary that you've created to help them get acclimated. Additional apps can be added for wayfinding, nearby information, maps, local trails or walks, or adding the ability to upsell them into additional services. Before we go off screen, your users can also pull up the entire kiosk information on their mobile phone simply by clicking here on Follow on Mobile. This connects them to the free HootBoard mobile app. That way, they are always connected and you have a way to engage your visitors anytime they are in your destination. All of this is simply managed and updated via HootBoard's web platform, where content can be posted and managed by multiple team members, and apps can be added in seconds. Why not schedule a demo yourself so that you can see how easy all of this can be?